Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious grasshopper cocktail. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 ounce of green crème de menthe, 1 ounce of white crème de cacao, and 1 ounce of fresh heavy cream. Make sure all your liquids are well chilled before you begin. You'll also need a cocktail shaker, ice, and a chilled coupe or martini glass ready for serving. Now, let's get mixing. Pour the 1 ounce of green crème de menthe, 1 ounce of white crème de cacao, and 1 ounce of heavy cream directly into your cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with fresh ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for approximately 15 to 20 seconds until the mixture is thoroughly chilled and well combined. Once your cocktail is perfectly chilled, it's time to serve. Remove the lid from your shaker and use a fine mesh strainer to pour the creamy green mixture into your pre-chilled coupe or martini glass. For a classic touch, garnish your grasshopper with a light sprinkle of freshly grated dark chocolate. Serve this delightful, minty treat immediately and savor its unique flavor profile. Here are a few final tips to enhance your grasshopper experience. Feel free to adjust the ratios of crème de menthe, crème de cacao, and cream to find your perfect balance of sweetness and mintiness. For an even richer dessert-like drink, you can drizzle a small amount of chocolate syrup inside the glass before pouring. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly crafted grasshopper cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.